your channel.
Hello, welcome to our channel FemMNY. If you want to know how to make balloon design or balloon decoration, this is the perfect channel for you. We have lots of balloon video tutorials for you to choose from. Please subscribe to our channel FemMNY if you want to learn more. Alright, with that said, let's inflate our balloon. So we have 12 inches balloon. We will inflate this to 9 inches. Okay, total balloon we need for this, for the 9 inches, we will need total of 8 balloons. So I'll inflate this now. I'll make sure this is nice and round. You tie this together. Like that. Put this on the side. Just like that. Now we have a total of 8 balloons. This time we'll inflate the other balloons. This is the same, 12 inches. And we also need 8 total of this, and we will inflate this to 7 inches. And now I have a total of 8 balloons. Again, we'll put this on the side for now. Alright, this time we have our 5 inches balloon. We will inflate this to 4 inches. So we need total of 76 balloons for this particular project. If you want it a little shorter, you can adjust. But for this particular video, we have total of 76 balloons for the gold. Okay, this is 5 inches. We'll inflate this to 4 inches. Alright, just like this. And I already pre-inflated all of them, so this time I'm gonna show you how to put this on a balloon column. Alright, so we have our balloon stand right here. Use total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this stick, okay, put together. And just a little tip, when I attach this together, I put clear tape so it's not gonna come off, because once the balloon is here, pressure is on and it's gonna pop off. Especially on the bottom part, I taped it here so it's not gonna come off. Okay, so with that said, let's start putting our balloon here. All right, so let's start with the 9 inches balloon. You put this on the bottom like this, and then you twist this together. Now the second layer, do the same thing. So you just want to make sure you put this in between these 2 balloons. So that's how you put your balloons. Alright, so after this, from this point on, we'll put our gold balloon 5 inches all the way to closer to the top. Alright, so right now it's 4 inches. We'll put this on here. Same thing, you twist this. Make sure it's in between. Alright, so the last gold. So that's the 19th layer. Alright, so we'll put this here. Make sure it's in between. Like that. So this is actually 7 inches. Now, after 7 inches, it's the 9 inches balloons. I'm gonna show you the top side. So it'll be like this. Right there. Okay? Just like that. So you make 2 of this. Wait, we're not done yet. We'll put like a big balloon on top, and since it's too high, it won't fit on our ceiling. It'll touch the ceiling, so we'll inflate the venue. Okay? This is actually 24 inches. make it nice and round. So before we put this on there, we'll make sure we spray this. So I'll attach 260 balloon, or you can use fishing line, either or. Thank you.